Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. I recently did a poll on Facebook and I asked you guys what kind of video you would like to see this holiday season, and like unanimously you guys asked for a budget-friendly gift guide for maybe teachers or friends or friends of friends or church members, and I definitely wanted to pull together an affordable gift guide that was Lux for Less worthy. And I'm going to be sharing with you several items that I've picked up from the Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Walgreens, and Walmart. And every single item that I'm going to be sharing with you today was $1 or less. And I'm going to share with you how to personalize these gifts as well. And if you guys are interested, I can do a separate video on like the wrapping and the packaging. I think last year I did a gangster wrapper video where I showed you how to wrap different packages really beautifully, because it's really all about the presentation. And if you're interested in that, I can link it down below. But if you're interested on how to wrap or package these items specifically, I can do a separate video. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know below. And I will be personalizing a lot of the things that you see here. My friend Sharonda has an Etsy website if you're interested in purchasing any of the decals that you see in today's video. I will leave her link down below as well. And so without any further ado, we're going to get started with the items before they are personalized, and then I'll show them to you after we add the personalization to them to make them truly luxe. We're going to get started first with items from the Dollar Tree. And so this first one is a snack cup, and I will show that to you guys. And what I love about it is a two-piece. Like this one holds the snack and then this one holds the drink, and I absolutely love the color. This would be perfect for a coworker, or friends or teacher or any of that. So I got this at the Dollar Tree, and of course it was only $1. This next item are the macaroons. I'm sure you saw these all over YouTube earlier this year, and I will give you guys a close-up. And this is like a little jewelry box. You can put like your little personables in here. This would be perfect for a teacher or a friend, and Dollar Tree for only $1. And I think these were found at like Target, not Target, at TJ Maxx and Marshall's and Hobby Lobby for like over I think $5.99, and they weren't as big as these. So they came in several different colors, but this is the pink and the blue one. I also picked up this back scratcher, and these are like a staple in the Dollar Tree. Again, yeah, these were from the Dollar Tree. This is also from the Dollar Tree. You can find these often in the Dollar Tree. And these slippers. And I will show you guys what we're going to do with these as well. These will be great for like a bride or a grandmother, you name it. So I'll show you guys what we're going to do with that. And then this last one I got at Walgreens, at Dollar General. And it was $5, but it was 90% off, so I paid 50 cents for it. And it's like an organizer. And this is also a great gift as well. So I'm going to personalize all of these along with a couple of other items that I'm not going to personalize. And I will be back to show you all of the items for this year's gift guide. So this will be Melanie's Lux for Less Christmas gift guide. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We want to reach 100K by my birthday, so don't you guys forget that. My birthday is December 22nd, and so I want to just thank you in advance for watching this video. Let me know your favorite gift down in the comments below, and stay tuned. And I almost forgot, this is a salad server set that I picked up at Walgreens this summer. It was 90% off, and I want to say that it was 90 cents. I know it was less than $1, so it was either 50 cents or 90 cents. I can't remember if the original price was $9.99 or $4.99. So for those of you guys who coupon and you saw this set at Walgreens, let me know. But at either rate, I know it was less than $1. So things like this are perfect for, you know, Christmas gifts. You buy them in advance, you keep them in a gift closet, and once you monogram them, it will be just like the perfect gift. Stay tuned, and I will be back in just a second to share with you guys how all the gifts turned out, along with some other items that I picked up at Walmart. And now we're going to get started with some gifts that I got for only $1 at Walmart. This would be great for friends or coworkers or church members or teachers. I found these statement necklaces. They are by Time and True. They were originally $5 and they were marked down to $1. I absolutely love these because they are very great quality. You can find them in like Stein Mart or Ross or TJ Maxx for a whole lot more. And I thought it was a great price point. They had it in this turquoise color. And then they had the matching earrings, the beaded earrings. I love the bling on them, and they were only $1 as well. And I thought, again, this would be a great gift for maybe a friend of a friend or a teacher, or, you know, I mean, I would appreciate this. I would actually wear this myself because it does look so luxurious, and the fact that it's only $1 is amazing. For those of you guys who know me, know that when I love something and it's inexpensive, I buy it in every color. And this necklace set was no exception. I also picked it up in black. It will be great for the holidays and, you know, little black dresses. I also picked up this beach themed necklace. This would be great for someone who loves the beach. I got this metallic necklace, and it doesn't show on camera really well, but it's in gold, silver, and rose gold. And I paired it with these rose gold earrings that were $1 as well. You guys, I was so ecstatic about finding all of these amazing pieces for just $1. Like, you just cannot beat it. The Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Walmart, they are wonderful places, even Target, to find gifts for $1 or less. You don't have to be restricted to just a Dollar Tree in order to find gifts for $1, like really super nice gifts for $1. All of these earrings would be great for the holidays, great to pair with a dress, a little black dress, or your festive holiday outfit. I love this coral necklace, and I found the earrings to match with it. This gift set, this can also be gifted as a set. And so I love that fact as well. Very, very, very versatile gifts. Now, this tassel necklace that I picked up for $1 matches the earrings that I showed you guys earlier. But this necklace mimics something that I've definitely seen in Chico's and other major department stores. Now, moving on to the items that I shared with you guys earlier from the Dollar Tree. I monogrammed them, or Sharonda monogrammed them for me. I will leave her link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing any. You can basically customize anything you want, but at the top we put snack. She put snack, and then the bottom drink. And then for the organizer, I picked this one up at the Dollar General, but we got pens and Q-tips and cotton balls, and I absolutely love this. Who would not love a gift like this? Like, this would be great for a teen or a teacher or, a coworker, you name it. This gift can go a really long way for a super great price. Now, this one is the macaroon that I showed you guys from the Dollar Tree. It has my initial on it, and this would be great for a bridal gift, for your bridesmaids or your bridal party. It would be also great for a friend, a coworker, teacher. And then I also like the fact that it transcends all ages. So you could definitely gift a younger person, like a teenager, with this, or an older person like a coworker or a teacher or a friend. And it's a very nice gesture. Now, here are the salad. Here's the salad set that I shared with you guys earlier. This would be great, like if you're, traveling during the holidays, or you're at work and you guys have a potluck and you bring your utensils and you want to keep them. You can definitely monogram your name. These are super, super, super nice. Very heavy, very well made. So I'm guessing that they were $10, but I absolutely love it. And then I love this back scratcher. I thought, and what I had in my mind was for a coworker. It says, "I'll scratch your back, the rest if you scratch mine." I thought that would be a great coworker gift, a Christmas gift for a coworker. It could be a male or a female coworker, but I just absolutely loved it. Or you can give it to your dad or brother or, whomever. So that special person in your life. But I absolutely love this, and it's only $1. Now the slippers, we monogram with Queen. I love these, and let me tell you why. On my recent trip to Paris, this is what I wish I had on the plane. So like when you're on extended trips, you don't have to put your shoes back on. You can put on some slippers and go to the restroom, and you don't have to worry about your feet or your regular shoes touching that super nasty floor. So I hope you guys enjoyed my gift guide from the Dollar Tree and the dollar store. I have so many amazing things coming up, like this Twinkle Twinkle Little Star baby shower. You guys let me know down in the comments below which gift was your favorite and what video you're excited to see next. So we have the baby shower coming up. It's going to be absolutely amazing. We also have a glam wedding that I will be sharing with you guys. It's going to be absolutely amazing. And I have more Christmas decor, DIYs, and some updates about my trip to Paris. So you guys, I have so many wonderful video ideas coming up. I cannot wait to share them, along with, I have a cooking video where my husband's going to actually rate my cooking. You guys, it's going to be hilarious. You don't want to miss out on all the things I have planned for you. Thank you guys so much for all of your continuous support. Remember, we want to reach 100K by my birthday. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to know your favorite gift and which event you're ready to see. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.